And welcome to CampaignCore. CampaignCore is a brand new email marketing platform that has a ton of powerful features to help you grow your business through marketing. Whether it be sending stunning email templates, putting your marketing on autopilot through automation, or looking up reporting for data-driven decisions, you've got a ton of different features for you to utilize and build your entire marketing business. What's great about CampaignCore is that we give a 14-day trial. So in order to get started with your free trial, you just hit the free trial button, and then you go ahead and fill out the registration form. So I'm actually going to use a temporary email address for this. I'm going to call ourselves Acme Inc. There are 3 plans that we have: our Starter, Pro, and our Enterprise plan. We're just going to start with the Starter program, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, just hit start your free trial. Now, after you do this, it's going to ask you to validate your email address because we want to make sure that you're using a real email address. So I'm going to come over here to my temporary email address that I have. I'm going to type it in here. I'm going to hit verify and create account. It's going to take a second to refresh while it validates my email address. And that's it. I can now start utilizing CampaignCore.